One of the most famous and distinctive watches ever made and presented to the world is the Rolex Chronograph Daytona. Rolex ranked high on the list of popularity for good reason. It has a long enough, rich, and comprehensive history, and they owe the Chronograph Daytona a great deal of it. With such a substantial profile, you can guess that it is not inexpensive, and that is where we come in. The top 5 affordable Rolex Daytona alternatives are on our list, and you shouldn't pass them up. Consequently, without further ado, let's begin. Heuer Monaco can be considered a pretty appealing alternative to the Rolex Daytona, and for good reason. With an elegant black sunray brush dial and red permanent seconds indicator, this chronograph boasts serious retro appeal that's hard to miss. The 39mm square case is made of stainless steel, finely brushed and polished for fraction. The redesigned steel bracelet is inspired by Monaco watches from the 1970s and has been updated for modern comfort. Powered by the state-of-the-art caliber Heuer to automatic movement, this timepiece features a sapphire case back for a clear view of the engine, while the beveled and domed sapphire crystal protecting the face is solid and iconic. Celebrate an iconic watch with a new look and cutting-edge technology. Choose the Heuer Monaco. With its rugged and sophisticated design, the IWC Schaffhausen Pilot's Watch Chronograph 41 is a top-notch alternative to the Rolex Daytona. The watch boasts a sturdy stainless steel case, with a transparent sapphire back, revealing the intricate inner workings of the 69,385 caliber IWC manufacturer movement. Blue Kafkin strap with the AIS exchange system adds a touch of elegance and comfort to the timepiece, while the chronograph function with hours, minutes, and seconds ensures accuracy and precision. The water-resistant of 10 bar, this watch is perfect for adventurous pilots or anyone looking for a reliable and stylish timepiece. It's a solid alternative to the Rolex Daytona. You don't want to miss out on the Chronomat BO142 from Breitling. With its impressive 42mm case, this all-purpose watch holds a significant place in Breitling's history. This watch originally introduced in 1984 as a mechanical alternative to the extra-thin quartz timepiece of the day. The Chronomat quickly became the beloved classic. With his iconic bezel, features, 4 rider taps, and a range of dial colors, this watch is available in materials including stainless steel and 18K red gold. Powered by the COSC-certified Breitling manufacturer Caliber 01, the Chronomat has matched the signature Rolex bracelet for a stylish and comfortable fit. Don't compromise on quality. Choose the Breitling Chronomat BO142 for a timepiece that combines style, performance, and affordability. Let us introduce the Black Bay Chrono from Tudor, the stunning timepiece. That's a prime example of an effective combination of elegance and functionality. The 41mm steel case has a polished and satin finish and is waterproof up to 200 meters or 660 feet. The fixed 3/16L steel bezel features a matte black anodized aluminum disc with a tacking metric scale and silver markings, while the opening dial with black counters is dome and features a date window at 6 o'clock. The domed sapphire crystal protects the face, and the watch is powered by the in-house caliber MT5813 movement, a self-winding mechanical movement with a bidirectional rotor system and a power reserve of approximately 70 hours. 3/16L steel screw-down pushers at 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock, and riveted steel bracelet with a polished and satin finish and folding clasp and safety catch complete the look. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Tudor Black Bay M79360N0002 is an excellent choice for watch enthusiasts seeking a reliable and stylish timepiece that can play the role of a solid alternative to the Rolex Daytona. And finally, the Zenith Chronomaster Sport Series is one of the best alternative to the Rolex Daytona, offering a similar look and feel at an affordable price point. With a modern 41mm case, the Chronomaster Sport combines the classic tricolor dial, pump-style pushers, and steel bracelet with a sleek black ceramic bezel. This particular version boasts a crisp white dial and an integrated steel bracelet for a timeless yet contemporary look, powered by the legendary El Primero 3600, 1/10 of a second automatic chronograph movement. This timepiece features a remarkable 311 components and a frequency of 36,000 VPH. With a power reserve of approximately 60 hours and a water resistance of 1080 m, Zenith Chronomaster Sport is a fine choice for the discerning watch enthusiast who wants style, performance, and value all in one package. So those are our thoughts on the 5 affordable Rolex Daytona alternatives. Which of these are you considering as an alternative to Daytona? Then why? We'd love to hear from you, so please let us know. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want more articles like this in your feed, click the bell icon.